Alright, number 42, we want to graph the function by stating the graph's basic function, then using the techniques of shifting, compressing, stretching, or reflecting. So since I see x in squared, I know parabola. Plus 2 will move up 2, plus 6 in parentheses will go left 6. So I want a graph that's going to go up 2 from the origin and left. So B is up and left. None of the others are. So answer choice B will best fit. I got 2 more. We might make it. Find the average rate of change between the given values. So when you're finding the average rate of change, that's the same thing as slope. Okay. Since this is linear, your average rate of change is -4. That's your slope, and it will be the same if you were to find the slope between 1 and 2. So you would plug in 1, get a number, plug in 2, get a number, you get an ordered pair, find the slope, and it will be the same as your linear equation. Now, if you had a quadratic, you actually have to plug it in, get the y value, and find the slope. But in this case, you would get -4. So again, what I'm saying is you would plug in 1. If you plug in 1, -4 plus 8, that would give you 4. So you got the order pair 1, 4. And then if you plugged in 2, 2 times 4 is 8, that would give you 0. So you have the order pair 2, 0. Sorry, this is a mess. 2, 0. And if you did slope formula, y2 minus y1, so 0 minus 4 over x2 minus x1, and that would give you -4 over 1, which is -4. So that's how you would solve and verify it, but with linear, it's just the slope. And then this last one wants us to solve the log equation. So 3 raised to the second power is 9 is equal to x. So 3 squared is 9, and that's what x should be. So just B. Okay, so it pretty much steadily took the whole time to do this test. So you have to know the information. You will not have a lot of time to play and be able to look up formulas. So when you start this, you better be ready, because it took pretty much the whole time. I mean, I probably could have worked it faster, but explaining it almost took the full time. Okay, I'm going to submit. Alright, so we got 97.73. Missed something. Let me go and see what that was. Will it let me review it? Yeah. Let's see where the mistakes happen. So on number 22, that's the only one. So let's see what happened on number 22. Yeah, so that's the one I was debating about, when that transformation shifts left to right. So because of the opposite effect, remember what I was showing you in this graph, they wanted to get shifted up 4, so that's the +4, all of those had it. They wanted to reflect across y, which is the negative, so that's C and D, and then shift it left 3. So shift left 3 is normally the +3, but when you reflect it, it does the opposite. So this is going to shift it left 3. So that was the one I was debating, but I went with what was traditional. So be careful whenever you have a shift and a reflection, because that reflection does the opposite.